Number 33. Sickle cell anemia is a genetic disorder which results in severe illness in homozygous individuals. In some human populations, being heterozygous can be beneficial. So, what could be the reason for this? What could be the reason for this? So let's talk about sickle cell anemia first. So it's a genetic disorder, and this is caused by HBS allele. So if a person has HBA alleles only, then the person will have red blood cell in its normal shape because the hemoglobins are normal. But if a person has HBS and HBS, then the person's red blood cells will be sickle cell or sickle shaped. The funny thing is, however, if a person has both A and S, so the normal and the sickle cell allele, then some of his or her red blood cells will be normal, and some of the others actually, will be sickle shaped. And in Africa and some other country as well, some other countries, malaria attacks the normal red blood cells, but it can't attack on the red blood cells that are shaped in sickle shape. So these people with homozygous HBS allele can actually die from not receiving enough oxygen because the sickle-shaped hemoglobins or the red blood cells are not efficient in transporting the oxygen. So they can die from it. And other people can actually die from getting malaria. So only the heterozygous individuals survive. So the answer for this one, 33, is B. A is not correct because it is affected a little bit as well. Heterozygous individuals, these people are affected as well. C is not right answer because it's caused by recessive allele, not dominant. And disorder is sex-linked? No, it's got nothing to do with the genders. So B is the right answer for this one.